Grab your weight. Let's get ready to jump into legs, glutes, and pelvic floor. Starting it off, whether you have a dumbbell, kettlebell, whatever type of weight you have, you're gonna hold it in front of you. We're going to go 10 reps on a squat, deadlift combo. For the breathing, for this one, we wanna inhale, relax core, pelvic floor as we come down. Exhale, zip it up, wrap the core. Inhale as we come back. Exhale, zip and wrap as we come forward. 10 reps, kicking it off in 3, 2, here we go. Chest are up, we inhale down. Exhale, drive those hips back, keeping a nice flat back all the way through. We wanna feel it in the backs of the legs. So you really wanna push that butt back till you feel it here. If that's not where you're feeling it, a little bit less on the knee bend. We're 10 total on this one, guys. So you will do 10 of each exercise. Inhale as we push back. Exhale, zip, wrap. Inhale down. Exhale, zip, wrap. Finishing strong with 10 reps. From there, weight can be up at the chest, toes are pointed out slightly. We are going to come down as low as you can, drive up onto the toes. So again, we inhale down, exhale, zip, wrap, press, 10 reps, here we go. Inhale, relax, exhale, zip, wrap, press into the toes. You got this, guys. Right through to 10, drive it up onto the toes. We're hitting the floor from there. One leg is going to be up in the air. The other leg, you're going to place the weight on that hip bone. Inhale at the bottom, exhale, zip, wrap, pressing into that leg, 10 reps. For a fuller range of motion, you can also come up onto the toe. Whatever feels best for you. Inhale at rest, exhale, zip, wrap, press, 10 reps. Switching sides, same thing. Inhale, relax, core, pelvic floor. Exhale, zip, wrap, press, 10 reps. Drive through, full range of motion. We want to get up as high as we can. Lock that core in, zip that pelvic floor. From there, coming up into a kneeling position, holding the weight in front of you. You start in the low kneel position. You're going to inhale, relax the core of the pelvic floor, gently even pushing into the pelvic floor as you come up. You're going to squeeze the core, zip the pelvic floor, bring the glutes together. Inhale, relax, 10 reps. Exhale, zip, wrap, squeeze. Inhale, relax, exhale, zip, wrap, bring the butt cheeks together. Zip, wrap, butt cheeks, 10 reps. For 3, 2, zip, wrap, and 1. Take a little breather. We'll get ready to jump into round number 2. Exact same thing, kicking it off with that squat, deadlift combo. Weight is in front of you. We're gonna do 10 reps of each. Inhale as we come down, exhale up, inhale back, exhale up. 10 reps, here we go. Nice flat back on the deadlifts, driving those hips back. Go as slow as you need to get that breathing nailed down, get low, drive it back. From there, we're going into that plie squat with the calf raise. Keep the chest up. We're inhaling as we come down. Exhale, zip the pelvic floor, wrap the core, press the toes. Get low, drive it up. Get low, zip, wrap, and press. Ten reps, we're jumping onto the floor, hitting that single leg bridge. Leg is up again. On the toe or flat foot, that is up to you. Inhale, you're gonna relax. Exhale, zip, wrap, and press. Same thing on the other side. Leg is up. Inhale at the bottom. Relax the core of the pelvic floor. Exhale, zip, wrap, and drive. Get low, drive through, burning out the backs of the legs, the core, the pelvic floor. From there, coming into that low kneel. Let's finish it off. Low kneel. We're going to inhale, relax the core of the pelvic floor. Exhale, we come up, zip, wrap. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale, relax, exhale, zip, wrap. Squeeze the butt cheeks. Inhale, relax, exhale, we come up. That's gonna do it for today, you guys. Way to show up, put another notch on the confidence belt, and get one step closer to reaching all your goals. We'll see everybody back here tomorrow.